welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. और आज की वीडियो में मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ my huge TIRA haul. After a very long time, guys, I shop for skincare, makeup, and hair care because it's festive season. I wanted to change my skincare routine. कुछ चीज़ें मुझे वापस से लेनी थी and कुछ चीज़ें I wanted to try new because TIRA's big beauty sale is on and you're gonna get up to 60% off on all the brands. ऐसा नहीं कि थोड़े brands पे, सब brands पे कुछ ना कुछ off है. So please definitely go and check it out. And before I start this video, I want to tell you guys, just grab a cup of coffee or tea because ये वीडियो बहुत लंबी होने वाली है and इसके बाद आपका शॉपिंग करने का तो डेफिनेटली मन करेगा. So let's get started now. So let's start with skincare first because मैंने बहुत सारे skincare products लिए हैं and I'm someone जो सुबह अलग products यूज़ करती है और रात को अलग और सबके लिए ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. So I got these two cleansers with me. First one is this one from Foxtail. It's the hydrating cleanser. What I loved about this one is कि जब आप सुबह उठो ना, you need that glow, you need that hydration in your skin और जैसे इसको यूज़ करो you get that thing. Also this cleans your skin so deeply, so nice. तो सुबह उठती हूँ feel fresh, but आपकी skin एकदम से dry सी नहीं लगती, बहुत ही hydrated लगती है. So this is something you can definitely add into your cart. And next up I have this cleansing oil which is so good and so nice. अगर आपकी oily combination skin है ना तो भी it's going to work really well for you. And वो जो मस्कारा होता है ना जो 4 दिन तक निकलता ही रहता है उसको वो एक ही बार में निकाल देता है, which is so good. I also got this in a very travel friendly वाला bottle because I felt कि I was taking this product for the first time, so I didn't know if it's going to work for me or not, but clearly it did and I'm gonna order the bigger one now. What I also love is इसमें ना ऐसे pump है. So, अगर आप इसको अपने साथ बैग में लेके जा रहे हो तो स्पिल नहीं होगा, उसका कुछ भी टेंशन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट आउट बिकॉज आई लव माई स्किन once it removes my makeup. And then I got two moisturizers for me, one for the daytime and one for the night time. So let me talk about them. The first one is the Plump Rice Water and Niacinamide. You will know it why I got it क्योंकि इसमें rice water है. But what you will love about this is कि जब मैं इसको सुबह अपनी स्किन पर अप्लाई करती हूँ उसके बाद it really controls my oil. So अगर आपकी oily combination skin है guys, definitely try this out. वो जो पूरे दिन में से वो oil निकलता है ना उसको ये काफ़ी अच्छे से control करता है because इसमें niacinamide भी है. So in case if you have like dark spots, acne spots, तो ये उसको भी ना रिपेयर करने में आपकी काफ़ी हेल्प करेगा. And the texture is like so light. Absolutely love it because it just melts into your skin. ऐसे लगता ही नहीं कि आपने मॉइस्चराइजर लगाया हुआ है. Let me just show you. Literally it's like water. The texture is like water and इतना cooling effect भी देता है. तो सुबह after washing my face I would just apply this and feel fresh and nice. And next up I got this DU in my defense moisturizer because everybody was talking about this and of course अब तो ये सेल पे ही मिल रहा है तो प्लीज़ इसको ऐड कर लो अपनी कार्ट में. This is super light. I apply it literally every night. पहले तो बॉटल भी इतनी क्यूट है इसकी but then it got lot of ceramides. Very good for your skin. If you have dark spot, hyperpigmentation, it's going to help you with literally everything. Plus इसका भी जो texture है ना वो इतना lightweight है and रात को जब आप इसको लगाओगे ना your skin will also glow and next day I feel मेरी skin जो है ना वो काफ़ी plumpy लगती है. So this is something I would definitely recommend you to buy because it's such a nice moisturizer. इसको आप day और night में दोनों में use कर सकते हो but right now I'm using at night time. Okay, next step is sunscreen and I wanted to add more new sunscreen. जितना मुझे पता चल रहा है ना कि sunscreen की कितने benefit है उतनी ही ज़्यादा sunscreen I have started trying to be honest. So the first one is the Cosrx Ultra Light Invisible Sunscreen. I have used this before and I've quite liked it because कि again literally like the name it's invisible. The moment you apply it आपको वो greasy सा नहीं लगता, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि एकदम चिप feel नहीं आता. बहुत ही लाइट वेट है, नो वाइट कास्ट एंड यू नो कुछ सनस्क्रीन्स को लगा के यू गेट दैट पसीने वाला फीलिंग. विद दिस यू विल नेवर गेट. सो इफ़ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन this is going to be a very good product and if you're looking for a good sunscreen again off pe bhi hai so good time to buy. And then I wanted to try something new because I love rice water and I love everything with rice, so that means I'm following Korean routine and I got this Korean sunscreen from this brand called Thank You Farmer. So this basically got SPF 50 plus and it is also PA plus 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 plus, which means that is going to give you the highest protection that you need. So that's why I wanted to try this out. And if you ask me इन दोनों में से कौन सा लो, I would recommend you to buy this one because it is in a very light form. एकदम serum जैसा, एकदम light है, and you know, it protects your skin also so well. Love the texture. Again, no white cast, no chip, and literally blends in seconds. It's not like that typical sunscreen जिसको blend करने में बहुत time लग रहा है. So add to your cart now. And then I also purchased my most favorite Pixie Glow Tonic. मुझे तो पता भी नहीं है कि कितनी bottles of this I've finished. I love it so much. I use it for literally everything. I use my face, my whole body. If you have dark underarms, try this out. कभी कभी हमारे knees और elbows बहुत dark हो जाती हैं, उसके लिए ये try करो. अगर आपकी face पर pigmentation है, dark spots है, और अगर आपको एकदम gentle exfoliation चाहिए ना, guys, add this. This is the one product that I literally swear by. It is so good, and just take it on your cotton pad, dab into your skin and thank me later because this one really works. Okay, now because festival season aa chuka hai, we all need that glow, and kabhi you know, we don't get that time to go to salons and get those facials done. To be honest, you can definitely skip those facials if you use this product. This is from this brand called Beauty in Everything, and this is their O2 Wow Oxygenating and Firming Mask. I've till now only used it once, but trust me, the moment I used it, it felt like कि मैं कोई बहुत ही expensive वाला facial करा के आई हूँ. I got that glow, and कितने लोग वो oxygen वाला facial कराते हैं? Trust me, with this you won't need that. It just hydrates your skin, plumps your skin, brightens up your skin, and also your skin feels sort of tight. I've only used it once, but this is something I can definitely tell कि आप festival के time पे इसको ज़रूर try करना. Now we are done with skincare, and I know that was too much, but to be honest, that's all I needed for this festive season. And now I have two of my favorite hair products which I have repurchased it. So if you have like very straight hair like me, or या आपने कोई straightening या like any treatment that you have done on your hair and you want it to be there for a longer time, then you have to try out the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Shampoo. It is very good. इसके बाद ना मुझे तो काफ़ी टाइम कंडीशनर की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. It deeply nourishes my hair, deeply cleans also. So I really like this one because मेरे straight hair के लिए बहुत काम आता है. And then of course हम इतना heat use करने वाले हैं throughout the festive season. That's why I also got the liquid protein Matrix का ये वाला spray that you just have to spray it at your ends of your hair and then only style your hair. I know काफ़ी लोग तो heat protectant बिल्कुल भी use नहीं करते, but trust me guys, start using it, नहीं तो बाल बहुत ख़राब हो जाते हैं. And this one is something I would definitely recommend. Affordable भी है and works really well. And now the last part, makeup. Of course I have a lot of makeup already, but still, because when you see discounts, you just want to buy a few things. So I got these 4 makeup products. Let me start with the concealer. You all know Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer is my absolute favorite. I don't know, मेरी makeup drawer में कम से कम आपको 4-5 तो हमेशा मिलेंगे. And this is so good. You can just apply it under your eyes. The best part is, okay, so this was not opening up, इसलिए I'm showing you the one I've already opened. This is how it looks. इसमें ना ऐसे cushion वाला feel रहता है. That's why the applications become very easy, and all you have to do is tick, and the product comes out, and then you can just apply it. It is super easy. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि आपने कुछ भी लगाया है. Concealer type blends beautifully, and this can be your everyday thing. Even if you're in college, you can just get this. Then I also got one lipstick from this brand called Wet n Wild. I've never tried their products, to be honest, but I wanted to try out something, and I was like, okay, festive season है, एक lipstick तो try कर लेते हैं, because you can never have enough of lipsticks. So I got this lipstick in this shade called Rebel Rose. Very beautiful shade, थोड़ा pinkish है, and you know, lips पे लगाते तो ऐसे एकदम heavy नहीं लगता, एकदम natural, and add to your cart. Last 2 things. I know it's too long. I got this Profusion Bling It On Glitter Eyeliner. This is gold in color and it's so nice. इतनी easily apply हो जाता है, and festive season के लिए मुझे लगा कि यार we we all do like black, blue, green liners, but we should definitely try something which is shiny and nice and glides also very beautifully. So yes, this, and the last thing that I got is this lip oil, because during the festive season I'm going to use so many lipsticks. और उसके बाद क्या होता है, मेरे लिप्स बहुत ड्राई और चैप्ड हो जाते हैं. आई नो इन मुंबई वी डोंट हैव विंटर्स, बट अगर आपकी सिटी में विंटर्स होते हैं तो डेफिनेटली गेट अ लिप ऑयल फॉर योर सेल्फ. इट हील्स योर लिप्स. बट द थिंग इज दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई इट आपकी लिपस्टिक के ऊपर, लाइक द लिपस्टिक आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ. आई वुड जस्ट अप्लाई इट and it would add so much shine. You can also use this as a gloss, so while you're wearing your lipstick you're also healing, and it's really nice, also on discount. Okay, so that was all for today's video. I know it was pretty long, but I really hope it was helpful. सारे products के links जो है वो मैंने आपको description box में दे दिए हैं, so definitely check it out. TIRA's Big Beauty Sale is now live and you can get up to 60% off on all their products. Also, don't forget to use my coupon code ShivShakti600. I really hope this video was helpful. Let me know which all products do you want me to purchase and try it out, because sale abhi tak chal rahi hai. I would definitely do that. Comment down below. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.